Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between cost audit and financial audit. Cost audit can be understood as the auditing process in which cost of production is verified thoroughly by examining cost books, statements, documents, and accounts, which are prepared and maintained by the company concerning the use of material, labor, and other resources so as to confirm that the accounts present true and fair view. On the other hand, financial audit is the auditing process in which the auditor independently assesses the financial statements of the company to identify whether relevant accounting principles and standards are duly complied with, for the purpose of financial reporting and disclosure. So, let's look into the basic differences between cost audit and financial audit in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Cost audit refers to the thorough examination of the cost of production of the output produced by the entity, based on the cost accounts prepared and maintained by the company. In this regard, as per the cost accounting principles, on the other hand, a financial audit is a scientific examination of the account books and records of a company and institution to check the accounts, to express an opinion and to report the facts concerning its operations and results thereof. Number 2. Cost audit is performed by a practicing cost accountant, whereas a practicing chartered accountant can conduct a financial audit. Number 3. When it comes to appointment, a cost auditor is appointed by the company's board of directors on the recommendation of the audit committee, whereas the appointment of a financial auditor is done by the shareholders at the company's annual general meeting. Number 4. The cost auditor analyzes the cost records, cost books, cost statements and cost accounts, to ascertain whether they are in line with the company's cost accounting system. On the contrary, the financial auditor analyzes a company's financial statements, account books, accounting records, vouchers, documents, notes to accounts, etc. to check the correctness of the entries made in the books and its compliance with the accounting standards. Number 5. In cost audit, the emphasis is laid on the analysis of efficiency of operations and propriety of actions of the management. Conversely, in financial audit, more emphasis is given to compliance of the financial statement with the accounting standards and effectiveness of the internal control system. Number 6. Cost audit is compulsory for all companies, organizations and institutions, whereas financial audit is mandatory for specific entities only, and that too which are engaged in manufacturing and production business. And difference number 7. The cost auditor submits the cost audit report to the board of directors at the board meeting, which is then submitted to the central government. In contrast, the financial auditor submits the financial audit report to the shareholders at the company's annual general meeting. Cost audit aims at examining the cost accounts of the enterprise, so as to determine that they are appropriately maintained and compiled as per the system followed by the concern. On the other hand, the objective of financial audit is to get plausible assurance that the financial statement presents the correct position of the enterprise and there is no material misstatement that can mislead anybody. So, these are the differences between cost audit and financial audit. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.